Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to simulate pathfinding through Tyflow. Opening a new 3ds Max, we're first going to go to top view and then go to our splines and draw 3 lines, just 3 splines across. These will be our paths that we are going to use to simulate a particle. I'm just gonna go quickly draw another one across, and then one perpendicular to those two, and then I'm gonna select all 3 and give each a color that is a bit more visible. And then again select all 3 and go to modify list and type spline offset, and then you're going to adjust the spacing to around 12 or 6 and then offset it by 2 meters. And then scroll down and select it to 2D and shuffle the end, and then keep it a closed spot or an open square. And then again we can fix the distance to 1.5 just to make it a bit more proportionate, and then remove the center line. Go back to modify list, select edit poly, and then create a Tyflow. Afterwards we're going to go and draw our tie icons. And then we are going to draw 1 tie icon per each spline at one end. So that is the end that we are going to start the simulation. So you have to draw the icon where you want the molecule to start. And then you're going to go ahead and draw an object at the other end of each spline. So this is where the molecule comes to an end and sort of hits on. So this is the target object for the molecule to go and hit, sort of thing. So after repeating it to all 3 splines, we're going to go and edit our Tyflow. We're going to put birth in first, and then we're going to edit the birth to start 0 and 0. Or we can just keep it at 300. And we're going to keep the amount for 200 for now. And then we're going to go and add position icon. And then we're going to pick the position. As in, we're going to pick 1 tie icon. And then add pathfinding. And in here we're going to scroll down, and in meshes we are going to pick the mesh of the tie icon we selected, that is the spline. And then when we go on scroll a bit further, you will have the destination object. So this we are going to pick the cube at the end of that spline we selected. After adding shape, we're going to go and select 3D, from which we're going to go and select a sphere or a geosphere. And then when you run it, you can see that something starts from the Tyflow icon and it goes along the path we choose. So we're going to go ahead and draw a spear very much close to the tie icon, and back in the shape layer in shape mesh, we're going to go and select reference mode and select the spear. We're going to go and change the display mode to geometry, and here you have the spear following the path that we gave it. I'm going to quickly change the time to 300 so it's a bit more clear. As you can see, it's just one fluid move from the start of the tie icon to the end to the cube. So we're going to quickly copy and paste it to have another event which we are going to again edit for our second simulation. So we're going to pick the next tie icon and then we're going to go and select our next mesh or the next spline. And then scrolling down, we're going to go and select our destination object, which is the cube. So you instantly see the results. So we're going to go ahead and repeat this to our remaining spline. And there you have it. A simple pathfinding method using Tyflow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.